Hi, Lee. Congratulations on 50 years in the asphalt business. I am so glad that I have had the pleasure of working with you since 2007, and you have taught me everything that I know. Congratulations.
50 years. Lee, what an accomplishment. It's been a really fun last decade getting to know you and having a chance to be on this journey with you. Congrats on the milestone, and just grateful to be along for the ride. Cheers, bud.
Lee, congratulations on 50 years in the same industry. I don't think there's very many people who can say that, definitely not in this industry. You not only worked for 50 years in the asphalt business, but you also changed the business, and very few people can say that as well. Without you, Asphalt Kingdom never would have gotten started. You took a chance on Judd, and you were the first person who did it. Here we are 22 years later, thanks to you. So the whole team really appreciates that. But also the advice and support that you've always given other people freely has really inspired us to make Pay It Forward one of our company's core values. And that really comes from working with you. I mean, you literally wrote the book on mixed design, and you're always helping people understand how they can do better in their own businesses. And that's just from the goodness of your own heart and your experience. And knowing somebody like you is a real honor. Somebody who always puts other people first and always pays it forward. So thank you from the bottom of our hearts. We're so grateful that we crossed paths with you, and congratulations again on 50 years in the industry.
Lee, it is such an honor and a privilege to be able to be on this journey for the last 22 years with you, my man. I just want you to know that you've had such massive impact on me, on our whole team, and of course on this whole industry. I remember that very first call, 248-338-0335, where I called to get an MA10 drop shipped, and when you actually fulfilled it and you were able to help that dream come true, that's what built the belief and conviction in me to take the next steps, to sell even more of them and help more people with their pavement management needs. And so I want you to know it's, your journey and the time that you've been in this industry, 50 years, to think incredible, but really to dive into the impact that you've had on so many people's lives, because I don't think there's any better gift than anyone could ever have, which is to be able to give. And the gift of giving is something very, very special. And man, oh man, are you that guy that has given so very much in your life. And the industry is so, so fortunate to have had you for the last 50 years. Let's make it another 50. But I just want you to know how much we love and appreciate you, man. And thank you for all of the time that you've put in to this incredible industry. We appreciate you, man. Happy birthday.